Hello everyone, my name is Israel Katala, President and CEO of Innovative Credit Group. You small business owner or entrepreneur that has established a business recently, or you are about to open up a business, or you have been running a business for a few years, and what you have been doing in order to operate and to run that business properly is that you are using your personal funding in order to run that business. You're running up your personal credit cards, maxing them out. You're either using your savings or your 401k in order to fund that business. You are applying for personal loans to have the funding available, or whatever income that is coming in as a profit, you are using it again in the cycle of paying your expenditures for your business. There's no profiting in that manner. But how about if I told you that you can establish and you can create business credit or corporate credit in the name of your business without touching your personal information, without putting your personal information as a collateral or as a personal guarantee in order for them to give you funding? Because most of the time when we go to the banks asking for a small business loan, they are going to refer and they're going to inquire into your personal credit in order to see if you're eligible for that type of funding. But there is a way that you can establish corporate credit without using your personal credit scores or your personal credit history. And this is an opportunity that you have, that you can use the leverage that is provided through your EIN number that is attached to a DUNS number, and you can create a paydebt score or an IntelliScore in which that can be referenced for the banking industry to give you the loans and the lending that you need. Anything from a department store credit card, a gas credit card, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express, until you get up to the tier acquiring and applying and being eligible for any type of financing for equipment, for a fleet of vehicles, for any type of housing, anything of that manner. You can do it all within the power that corporate credit provides to your business. So I have established this guide that's called How to Establish a Corporate Credit the Proper Way, and this publication is accessible to you for just a small fee, and this is only an introductory offer that you can receive and have access to this publication and start profiting and start making that money according to the guides and the instructions that are provided in that manual. So all you have to do is click on that link and you'll have direct access, direct download of that publication and that literature to your computer or to your electronic device, and that way you can empower your business and stop using your personal funding and your personal finances and start using the finances that can be provided through your company. So God bless you. I see you at the other side, and take care. Bye-bye.